Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Lisa's Coloring Corner. I purchased two diamond paintings. These are from Crystal Canvas Art Designs. It does say a paint by number concept, and I was a little nervous at first, but no, it's not paint by number. It is diamond painting. I have this totally to blame on Anne from Crafting with Anne. Although she always says it's Ordering Anne. Well, yeah, I think Ordering Lisa watched Ordering Anne. And yeah, so Ordering Lisa went ahead and ordered a couple. Because I just love special drill diamond paintings. So let's take a look at these two diamond paintings. I'm so excited. Oh, they do have, I don't know if I can do this or not. They do have the picture, yeah, it's going to be blurry, on the end of the box, which is really nice. I like that they do that. So, you can't see that. We'll see it when we open it. But it is a cute little fairy. It is a 30 by 40. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Ah, I'm so excited. All right. So, isn't she adorable? It says glimmers, shimmers, and shines. There are 32 colors in here, and they are all rhinestones. So, we have a very large color code, as you can see. That's very nice, 32 colors. So we have the code down here and up over here with a big thumbnail up here. So let me zoom in and show you what it's actually going to look like. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it, love it, love it. So it does list the color number, the symbol, or in this case it is all numbers, and then we go into the alphabet, and then the color number, let's see, here it's numbering them. Here it must go according to what's on the bag of the rhinestone. So let's take a look at the canvas itself, as long as we're zoomed in here. Oh, we got some confetti going on up over here at the top of her wing. Extremely clear, very easy to read. There's the flower in her hair. Oh, her cute little face. That is just going to be adorable. So, yes, very, very nice and clear. Our toolkit is, well, this one is the square tray. These are kind of nice because they're dual-sided, and if you weren't aware of this, square drills and round drills are a little bit different sized. So one side of this tray fits square drills, the other side fits your rounds, or in this case, your rhinestones. So I believe the square drills are a little bit bigger than your rounds. So having these dual-sided trays are kind of nice. The only thing I wish it had was a pour spout. But I do like these trays. Then you get a big square of wax, a single placer, and you do get a metal tweezers in here. Okay, so a nice toolkit. Let's zoom out while I get these drills out because, you know, they're rhinestones. We gotta look. We gotta look. They're just so pretty. Oh, and it's right on the side here, so it's kind of hard to open. Right on the edge, I mean. These are all kitted up already, so they're all in their own baggies. And they're in there so perfectly, I hate to take them out, but we must. I'll fit them back in there one way or another. Won't be as nice, but... Okay, so... Ooh, them are teeny. Wow, 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 wow. I can see why they included a tweezers. So this is 3-3. So what does that mean? Oh, I see. It's the third color over here. Whoa, don't drop, please don't drop. And it's color number 3. So I'm assuming like it'll be 14-37. Okay, that makes sense. So we have these gorgeous reds. Oh, look at these gorgeous light blue. Kind of looks silver on camera. Oh, beautiful teal. Icy blue. It's a real deep purple, kind of a purpley pink. Kind of a copper color. Bet you that'll go in her skin maybe. Bunch of black. Real deep, deep green. Those are pretty. Kind of like an emerald. A brighter green. Ooh, here's a pretty spring green. Isn't that gorgeous? So lots of greens. We have some gold. Dark yellow. Now these look black, so I'm not sure if the other ones were a dark green. Here's another pretty bright green or light green. So this background on here is going to be stunning. Ooh, that's different. I haven't seen this shade of pink in rhinestones. It's kind of a pinkish red. Some gold. Oh, look at that color. Beautiful bright pink. Another pink. Ooh, that's different too. Kind of a melon color, sort of. Super dark, dark red. And our silver. Oh, beautiful blue purple, kind of. Another pretty purple. Oh, another really pretty bright pink. And another purple. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, love it. Another one that looks like black. So maybe we have more than one bag of black. Yeah, I'm not sure. Then the grams are listed on the stickers too. That just tells you how, tells them how many they need in each baggie. Kind of an orangish brown. Well, this is different too. It's a real deep, like yellow-green. Oh, real deep blue. Look at those blues. Those are pretty. A lot of those. And a little bit lighter blue. Oh my gosh. This is going to be gorgeous. And so I don't take too much time because I want to get them all back in the bag kind of nice. I'm going to do that after I show you guys everything. I'll do it off camera. Okay. So again, there is this cute, cute fairy. I bet you her wings are just going to be stunning. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, ordering, Anne. All right. This one is a little bit bigger. This is a 50 by 50. Love the fact that they come in these nice boxes too. Now, if you love blue, you're going to love this one. Okay. Now, you'll notice they roll these the opposite way, and that's kind of nice. Because the canvas, for some reason, seems to stay nicer. And you can see the picture right away when you're looking at all your diamond paintings. You don't have to take them completely out to see what picture it is. Look at this. It is a unicorn with a baby unicorn. Isn't that adorable? So again, this is a 50 by 50. We only have 24 colors in this one though. So again, we have the color codes up at the lower left and upper right. Let's take a look. Very similar to the previous one. We do have the number. We have the number or letter that corresponds to that particular color, and then we have the color number itself. So let me, as long as I'm down here, look at the canvas itself. And again, very nice and clear, even in those darker areas. Quite a bit of confetti again. Oh, that is going to be so pretty though. Let's take a look at the drills. Oh my gosh. This is going to be gorgeous. Can't you just see this hanging up on a wall? So many gorgeous blues. I'm sorry for the glare. Beautiful blues. And here we have that moon in the background. I just love that little baby down there. Okay. Same toolkit. That square tray, wax, single placer, and the metal tweezers. Here we go, folks. Oh, I see some pretty colors in here already. They do package their rhinestone drills very nicely, as you can see. Oh my gosh, there are some gorgeous colors in here. All right, let's zoom in. You beautiful special rhinestone drills. Really pale pinkish purple. And we have a deep gold, kind of a light brown. It must be a black. Oh, this pack is jam-packed. Beautiful icy blue color, very pale. So you know that's going in the background. Another pretty purple. I don't remember seeing, oh yeah, there's purple down in the bottom. And here's that gorgeous purple. That's my favorite rhinestone. Of course, just like the 550 is my favorite drill. Oh, really pretty royal blue. Some more blue. Ooh, this one's full too. Ah, kind of like a cerulean blue. More background color, I'm assuming. Some gold. It's like a dark gray. I don't think I've ever seen those before. huge pack full of this really deep, gorgeous blue. Some more blue. A lighter blue. Oh, a turquoise. That is gorgeous. Wow. This is the fullest one yet. A little bit darker turquoise. Yep, different number. So all background colors. Wow, here's a big bag. This is a light turquoise. Wowie. And this is kind of a more pale greenish turquoise. Oh, beautiful green. I'm assuming must go in the bottom by the flowers. And a silver. Oh, gorgeous. Really deep, deep turquoise. Oh, look at them bright greens. Isn't that pretty? What color is that? Looks to be black, but it could be a very deep, deep blue, like a 939. Yeah, because here's the black. Oh my goodness sakes. Wow, huh? Because I don't think, no, they're different numbers. So 30.5 grams of black. Wow. That's a lot of black. But there's also a lot of blues, as you can imagine, because the trees and whatnot look like they're kind of silhouette. So I imagine a lot of that's going to be black, and all the shading, and I'm assuming all of that is going to be black. That is going to be gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yeah. Again, I'm going to put this all the way off camera so I don't have to waste your time. So here is this gorgeous unicorn canvas. Again, it's a 50 by 50 full rhinestone drill. And then the other one was the adorable little fairy, which is a 30 by 40. Full rhinestone drill. Yes, cannot wait. I think I'll start with her because she's smaller. But yeah, can't wait to get to this big one. I have so many to do ahead of these though, but yep. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing of these two gorgeous rhinestone diamond paintings. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. And as always, happy coloring and happy diamond painting. Bye, guys.